In today's show, stock to flow analyst Plan B sees Bitcoin trading at $10,000 before the end of the year. Here's what he had to share on Twitter. Call me crazy, but it wouldn't surprise me if Bitcoin closes 2019 at $10,000 plus. Opportunities like this, Bitcoin below the stock to flow model value 6 months before the halving, are rare. We're going to be discussing this in today's show. We'll also be taking a look at what popular crypto analyst Peter Brandt has to share on crypto Twitter. Also, Bitcoin just touched $6,900 and Upbit loses $50 million of Ethereum in a seeming hack. If we check out this whale alert, we can see 242,000 Ethereum worth almost $50 million USD was transferred from Upbit to an unknown wallet. Upbit is one of the largest Korean crypto exchanges. And also, Upbit is not using the word hack for $51.3 million loss at this point, considering the possibility of an insider job. We'll be discussing all this plus so much more in today's show. Here at Crypto News Alerts, I drop a brand new episode every day, so be sure to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And to help celebrate the launch of our podcast, our sponsor, CMDX, the fastest growing health rewards cryptocurrency in the world, is giving away $25 worth of CMDX tokens absolutely free. For full details, click that link right below the video in the description. And before we dive right into today's show, I want to share with you what I'm pretty excited about. On December 11th, hedge fund market wizard Larry Benedict is hosting a live event. He's going to be sharing a secret he used to generate $274 million in pure profit and sharing with us how we can use it ourselves beginning December 11th. He was tracked down in his Florida mansion, and he's going to reveal to you how to generate $208,000 in 12 months by ignoring 99.1% of the stocks in the market. To register, click the link right below this video in the description or visit trade.cryptonewsalerts.net. I look forward to seeing you there. Welcome back to another episode of Crypto News Alerts. I'm your host, JV, and let's get right into it, shall we? In the last few days, Bitcoin has been the subject of bearish calls. Many are calling a drop between $6,000 and $5,500. Just in the past few hours, we touched about the $6,800 mark, and we just saw about a 2% pump. And just a couple days ago, we saw Bitcoin touch $6,500. So the overall market sentiment has been pretty bearish. Peter Brandt chimed in on the topic. The most followed trader on Twitter said that the head and shoulder top for Bitcoin doesn't look valid, but the analyst painted a descending triangle breakdown and indicated a target of $3,905. Here's what he had to share on Twitter. I actually do not think this is a valid head and shoulders top, but one never really knows until history is written. So let's check out some of the responses to his tweet. Motor Cartel responded, futures markets are pulling Bitcoin down with their powerful spot price. This is all fake manipulated action. Bitcoin is tied to the futures spot price. And Peter Brandt responded, gotta love the victim mentality here. When Bitcoin goes up, it's destiny. When it goes down, it's the fault of the futures contract. And while Bitcoin appears to be on a technical downtrend, Plan B believes that it's possible for Bitcoin to regain its bullish composure. The analyst stock to flow model suggests that a recent sell-off is a deviation. And taking a look at what he shared on Twitter, call me crazy, but it wouldn't surprise me if Bitcoin closes 2019 at 10,000 plus. Opportunities like this, Bitcoin below the stock to flow model value 6 months before the halving, are rare. And taking a look at some of the replies to his tweet, this person, Wrecked FOMO Moon Boys, responded, and this is why it won't. Everyone thinks halving will save the day. Let's check out some more responses. Alex Borosov wrote, look at this, November 26, 2015, Bitcoin was $352. Year before the halving, this was 70% down from the high. November 25th, 2019, Bitcoin is $7,200. Year before the halving, around 70% down from the high. Boy, does history rhyme. Bitcoin Bishes responded, we just consolidated the earlier year spike. Why the heck would anyone not be selling everything else to buy Bitcoin right here? Jadel responded, according to the model, when the Bitcoin price corrects, it almost always respects the first error, but when it rises, the price exceeds the two errors. As it goes, the model seems to go to the top of the first error of $5,000 approximately, being this a good shopping area. And we'll take a look at one more reply. Bitcoin Moons responded, plus token scam is why we're down here with the dumping of over 200,000 Bitcoin over the last months. 2 more months of Bitcoin to be dumped, over 50,000 Bitcoin to go. When that's finished and the halving occurs, we'll have 2 years of parabolic. And if you're not familiar with the stock to flow model, it's a method used to predict the value of a commodity like gold or silver by determining the asset's scarcity. The formula to determine scarcity or hardiness is simple. Get the amount of the precious metal in inventory and divide it by the amount mined or produced every year. Among precious metals, gold has the highest stock to flow ratio. According to Bayern LB, gold has a stock to flow ratio of 58, which is significantly higher than the stock to flow ratio of silver, palladium, and platinum. Based on this model, gold's market cap should be close to $10 trillion. Currently, the precious metal is worth $8 trillion. And while gold may be ahead of the curve, Bayern LB predicts Bitcoin's stock to flow ratio would make tremendous gains in 6 months. The model indicates that the top crypto would have a stock to flow ratio of 53 after the May 2020 halving. That will put Bitcoin at a $1 trillion market cap. Using the stock to flow model, Plan B can forecast the price of Bitcoin without using technical analysis. So far, the analyst model has been right on the money. Bitcoin's recent sell-off has put the price below the stock to flow value. According to Plan B, Bitcoin trading below the stock to flow value a few months below the halving is unusual. Thus, it won't come as a shock if Bitcoin bounced hard and traded above $10,000 before the end of the year. Keep in mind that Bitcoin is still one of the best performing assets of this year. Even after a brutal dump over the last few weeks, Bitcoin is still up by over 94% year to date. That's why Simon Peter, an analyst for eToro, believes that the cryptocurrency will recover 10,000, the trader told CCN. In terms of a price target for the end of the year, I feel we'll get back to $10,000 level and probably stay around or just above that level by the end of December. The analyst added that there's a few reasons for this. Firstly, given the fall in price we saw last week, various technical indicators are pointing to an oversold Bitcoin market, and thus the opportunity to acquire more of it is arguably more attractive. Peter also said, with global currencies potentially losing further purchasing power going forward, over the long term, this could be great news for Bitcoin. Investors can look to crypto to protect their wealth, which in turn increases demand. This, coupled with the decreasing supply, could cause prices to push higher. So it appears that Plan B is not alone in seeing Bitcoin trading above $10,000. It's possible that the move down to $6,500 is nothing but a deviation. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrencies, we're back in the green. Bitcoin up about 2%. Trading at $7,267. Ether up 0.46%, trading at $148. XRP up 1.4%, trading at just above 22 cents. Tron up 7%, trading at 1.5 cents. EOS is up 2.81%, trading at $2.64. Mist Litecoin up 1.6%, trading at $47. Maker is up 4%, trading at $544. And Link is down 0.18%, trading at $2.25. All right, and for our next story of the day, Bitcoin slips to $6,900 after Upbit loses $50 million of Ethereum in a seeming hack. Taking a look at this whale alert on Twitter, you can see 342,000 Ethereum valued at almost $50 million USD transferred from Upbit to an unknown wallet. Let's dive right in. If you've been on crypto Twitter at all over the past few hours, you've likely noticed this Ethereum transaction. The transaction, which is for 342,000 Ethereum, valued at nearly 50 million at the time this was published, was sent from Upbit, a popular Korean exchange, to an unknown unmarked wallet out of nowhere. Sure, this wasn't abnormal in and of itself, as whales have used exchanges, though. What's interesting was this transaction came as there were millions of dollars worth of other cryptos, such as Tron, EOS, POS, etc., transferred from Upbit's cold wallets and hot wallets to other addresses. This confluence led to speculation that a hack had taken place, as this also came as Upbit had suspended some of its services. This confusion lasted for hours, as Upbit was rather mum on the situation, with local reports only suggesting that the transactions were flagged and not confirmed of anything malicious. However, just minutes ago, the exchange's chief executive revealed in an announcement that only the 342,000 Ethereum transaction was suspicious, not any of the other ones mentioned earlier. The translated version of the release does not contain the word hack, though many have taken the statement as a sign that the $50 million worth of cryptocurrency has been misplaced and is currently unretrievable. Taking a look at this tweet from Joseph Young, Upbit is not using the word hack for a $51.3 million loss at this point, considering the possibility of an insider job. Whale Panda responded, "At this point, I'm assuming every loss of funds is an insider job. Most bigger exchanges have learned their lesson when it comes to security by now." Upbit has confirmed that it will cover the funds with up to $51 million worth of its corporate funds, and has also revealed that it has moved all cryptos into its cold wallet to protect its customers. Due to this news, Bitcoin slipped by $150, some 2% in the past 10 minutes. Bitcoin now trades at 6,900. This was a couple hours back, currently trading at 7,200, and may fall lower if negative sentiment persists into this U.S. session. The current cryptocurrency market cap is $193 billion, with $66 billion in volume in the past 24 hours, so the volume has decreased a little bit, and the Bitcoin dominance is currently 66.3%, so we're up about 0.3% in the past 24 hours. And taking a look at the top cryptocurrency gainers in the past 24 hours, Molecular Future leading the way, up 22.45%, currently trading at $1.06. Enigma up 11%, trading at just under 49 cents. Steam is up 8.6%, trading at just below 13 cents. Ilcoin up 7.8%, trading at just below 10 cents. Horizon is up 7%, trading at $5.44. And Solve is up 6.66%, trading at 10.8 cents. And taking a look at the biggest losers in the past 24 hours, Teal is leading the pack, down 17%, trading at 13.2 cents. iExec RLC down 8%, trading at 62 cents. Digitech Futures down 8%, trading at 4.7 cents. Centrality down 6.7%, trading at 13.7 cents. Silverway down 5%, trading at 58 cents. And Basic Attention Token down 4%, trading at just below 20 cents. And checking out the BitMEX margins, we can see the bulls are back in control with about 35 million in superiority in the past 24 hours, with longs leading the way at 50.58% versus 49.42% shorts. Are you bullish or bearish on Bitcoin right now? Let me know in the comments right down below. And taking a look at the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, currently we're in extreme fear with a 20 rating. Yesterday, extreme fear with a 21. Last week was fear with a 30 rating, and last month was neutral with the 50 rating. And if you're not familiar with the Crypto Greed and Fear Index, extreme fear can be a sign that investors are too worried. That could be a buying opportunity. Wink, wink. And when investors are getting too greedy, that means the market is due for a correction. Well, that's going to conclude today's show. As always, I appreciate you tuning in. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button and click the bell icon to receive notifications of the latest premium crypto news. And before I go, don't forget to register for this special event taking place December 11th with hedge fund market wizard Larry Benedict. You can register by clicking the link right below this video. He's going to be revealing a secret he has used to generate $274 million in pure profit. This is a live event you do not want to miss. I know I'm going to be there, and I look forward to seeing you there too. And I look forward to seeing you on tomorrow's episode. Peace.